Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX in Coron. Today we're going to be checking out the yurt that we're staying in. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are. I'm just kind of backing up to the street. This is what things look like out here. Abandoned buildings, lots of motorbikes, a McDonald's, and you go down the street just a little bit and the beach is right there. So we stayed here at Nomad Yurts, and it is the most coolest experience that you will ever see. So not quite sure what these little buildings are going to be used for, but probably just like a local shop, because on the other side we've got like a little tour company and laundry service. Everybody does multiple things around here. So coming in, we've got these bamboo gates up here. This is a little welcome center. This is where the on-site staff stays, so we're gonna kind of stay in our direction over here. We've got a water tank over here. This is what they use for water. It's plumbed in there somehow. Just little sitting areas when you're waiting to check in. This is the welcome desk. They give you like kind of all these things that you can go try and do. Discover free diving, advanced free diving. All of this is free diving, but we got to go see the World War II ships that had sunk. So we went scuba diving and we're blessed to see such a thing. So here, from what we were told, you just come in and you grab things as you need them. It's kind of like a community area in the middle of the night when nobody's hosting it. Glasses, water, things like that. Hair dryers, coffee. And just come use it as you need. And then we're gonna go up. We've got this gorgeous bamboo fence up here that is just really worn over the time, but bamboo is one of my favorites. It'd be my dream to have a bamboo fence in the backyard in Big Bear. So walking up, as you can see, a little bit steeper, obviously a little bit uneven in certain places. This would never fly in America, but we are far from America. And it's just going to be like a little village of yurts. So we booked the private one. A lot of these are going to have like a shared bathroom type thing. This one's going to be a family sized one back here. These two share a bathroom. And you're just kind of walking up. It's easy to kind of roll your luggage too up this little hill. It's easy coming down too. My first concern is like slipping on it, but they've built these rocks into the concrete here to help stabilize you. Obviously you can hear the roosters crowing. They've been crowing all night, all morning, but it's actually a peaceful, pleasant sound. I love it. They give you earplugs to stay in, but I found that I didn't quite need them. I love that they use planters out of anything. This is a styrofoam box. I just love how simple and creative they are. This is going to be another housekeeping quarters, so we're not going to go near there. And then our unit is going to be just this way, so follow. Okay, so coming down the hallway. Another yurt on the right. It's going to be their bathroom right here. It's going to be us up here. They have at night little lighted things that kind of light up so you can see where you're going. Another access to another yurt, and they have their own private bathroom back here. And then you've got two of them up here. This wall divides the units from the unit and the bathroom and the unit and the bathroom. So we're gonna come up these stairs. This first step is a little high, but it looks like at night we've got solar on here, some solar powered lights. I'm gonna get to my shoes really quick because the ground is hot. But here is the view looking out. The road right in between this hut and that building over there leads you down to Coron. And this is the yurt that we're going to be staying in for the one night. Looks like they've got some sort of like insulation cut and put on there, as well as, don't peek yet, on the inside it's kind of hazy to like a some sort of sticker to allow for that heat not to get in here. It feels wonderful in here. There is air conditioning, and I think it's adorable. We just booked this for one night because we decided to extend the stay here because we're having so much fun. And with extending the stay, we needed another room because our other hotel room was so popular, but I thought this one would be fun. So what we have here, concrete floors, which is, if you know me, what I love. That's what I want to have in Joshua Tree all throughout the house. And we've got like a little entry table right here, bed area. But let's kind of walk first off, kind of like light switches in here. Oh, that's kind of fun. Look at that. That light is I'm excited to stay in here at night. Look at that. This is going to be so cool. Just like a little map, kind of almost like a beach towel map. But this is where we're from. And we flew all the way over here, and we are in the Philippines right here. So we just scuba dove in the Indian Ocean yesterday. So really neat. These things, kind of like a bamboo wood that's held up. Then it seems like there's like a metal holding, like a metal cable holding it, sewn all the way through to hold it. And then it's pitched up top to the circle. Down here we have an air purifier, and this is going to be like a Wi-Fi, so you can charge your phone by laying it on there, which is everything that I need because I don't like to charge my phone. And then here we just have this beautiful bed, king-size bed. And here's our little welcome table, some water, some things, some earplugs if you get bothered by it, but I hear it as white noise, so I'm good. They do serve free breakfast here, and this is our motorcycle that we're about to head out into town with and go find an adventure. 2 little sitting pads, so you can just kind of like kneel here and have coffee, breakfast, whatever you want to do. Off this direction, just have a little trash can, a nice little I don't think that spins, but kind of a storage rack right here. The pictures were really hard to tell on what it looked like. That's me. Because I almost thought the bathroom was like around a corner, and so it's always kind of fun when you get here and you don't know until you get here. Here we have the air conditioning that feels so good. I was worried about this. Is it going to be hot in there? Nice clean bed. I give this a 5-star. I think it's going to be very nice at night to get into that. It actually feels like a better mattress than some of the other bedrooms that we've sat in too. Oh, there's something going on over there. I don't know what that was. And then here, another little air purifier and the other table. So, let me see. There's a crinkling going on behind this, and I want to know. I don't see anything though, so who knows? Then let's go out and go to our bathroom. So we do have our own private bathroom. And coming in, and this is the bathroom. So this is technically kind of the back of the yurt right here. And then we've got this beautiful tile floor in here with like a mosaic pattern on the ground, toilet. And they have all these sprayer things in Asia. That's just what they do, how they use the bathroom. But yeah, I like this little bamboo wall right here. Kind of just giving it lots of little textures in here. We've got a nice light right here. If you can see me, I am so sunburned. I was warned to put sunscreen on and I didn't. So that's the fogger. I'm not, if anybody knows what the baby running is, let me know, because I have no clue. Nice little toiletries that they provide for you. That's really cool. It's a shampoo bar. And then this one's a conditioning bar. Little water bottle, and then toothbrushes. Cute little sink. Nice little area to store your toiletries. And the shower. Hot water. Tile on the side, and then all the drain, everything's just like one big wet room. This is, I dig bathrooms like this. This is why we remodeled our bathroom in Big Bear to be similar to this, because I just love that everything just gets wet. Now it does make it slippery, so you do have to be extra cautious, but let me know what you would pay for a place like this in Coron, Philippines. Just minutes to the beach. Everything you would need in a little bit beach community right here. Nomad Yurts. Talk to you soon. Rooster's crowing. Bye.